First official look of Redmi K30. Hey guys, so, the Redmi K30 has been frequenting the rumor mill lately. In any case, the K30 is near, giving a lot more credibility to some of the other leaked info I will mention in a bit. Actor Wang Yibo is the celebrity endorser of the Redmi K30 series, and accidentally or not, some promo shots with him holding the upcoming phone have leaked. Previously, we saw the front, showing off the dual notch. Now it's time to focus on the back. So, I have created some renders based on this leaked image. One potentially important piece of information we can extrapolate is that there seems to be no fingerprint reader on the back of the phone. If that is the case, there is likely one underneath the display. And if that is true, the panel should be using OLED technology. Also, some leaks have mentioned a 6.66-inch, Full HD, 20:9 aspect ratio display. Speaking of specs, other rumors include 120Hz refresh rate panel, as well as a Snapdragon 730G chipset, paired with 6GB of RAM, and 64GB of storage in the base version. We can see a quad camera, arranged on a vertical camera bump. Based on rumors, it is said to feature a 64 megapixels main shooter, 8 megapixels telephoto, 12 megapixels ultrawide, and 2 megapixels depth sensor on the back. And on the front, a 20 megapixels selfie camera. 4500 mAh battery, with 27 watts fast charging. NFC, IR blaster, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Pricing for the K30 is expected around 2,000 Chinese yuan or $285 by some sources, and 2,300 Chinese yuan or $330 by others. Both could easily turn out correct if the K30 takes after its predecessor, and features a few variants. After all, there are mentions of 5G in one of the leaked posters, so there's that to look forward to as well. So that's it for this video. Let me know what do you think about the Redmi K30. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.